And I'll be coming on spying so that I can make a note of the 100 people that I like. Now, barbz, shut up. Y'all know I'm not in the mood. Okay? I will eat you like you stole something. Okay? And I made yellow rice. Papa? What's the problem? I made yellow rice and I made shawma. Papa? 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 I made yellow rice and don't get him. He is, I made yellow rice and I made shrimp and string beans because my mother came over there and you know, my mother people like string beans. But yeah. And so I made it, and it came out mad good. But no, boss, I told you, I don't want to hear and see bullshit that on my blood clot timeline. You understand? I don't want to see no ugly ass faces that I don't like either on my timeline. Okay? Now. Other than that, to the good barbz that's been being good. I love you. I love you so much. You cute. Don't tell me about my filter. Well, mind your business. This filter right here, that's for me to see my petty business. You understand? Because if I was to let y'all see me right now without this filter, y'all would be like, oh no, girl, bye. So, good night.